Welcome, future developers, to a year filled with endless possibilities. In 2024, it's time to set your sights high, dream big, and unlock your true potential. And what better way to do that than by diving into the world of C#? You'll find everything you need on my channel. As an expert developer with more than 10 years of work experience, I'm here to help you on your way. With a future-proof programming language like C#, the possibilities are endless. Whether it's a new job in a large company, the possibility of working from home, or simply a fun and varied hobby, time is always well invested. And with a little effort, it might even fulfill your dreams. C# isn't just a programming language, it's a gateway to innovation, a tool that empowers you to turn your wildest ideas into reality. From crafting sleek desktop applications to developing powerful web solutions, C# is your key to building a future-proof skill set. In a world where technology is at the forefront of every industry, C# stands tall. Major players like Microsoft, Unity, and many others trust C# for its reliability, performance, and versatility. Imagine being part of this league of extraordinary developers, shaping the digital landscape with every line of code. Whether it's the expressive power of LINQ, the asynchronous magic of async/await, or the sheer joy of exploring the net ecosystem, C# has something for everyone. And remember, every coding journey is a unique story. As Anders Hejlsberg, the creator of C#, once said, "I like programming in C#, it's a great language. I like the fact that it's got all the major features of other languages in a very cohesive way." So here's to a year of growth, of challenges conquered, and dreams realized. Start your C# journey today. Open your IDE, write that first line of code, and let C# be the language that propels you into a future filled with innovation, success, and limitless possibilities. Everything that you need is all ready for you on my channel. There is also a good start tutorial with all basic informations regarding C# and Visual Studio. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a comment with ideas, wishes, or improvements for further content. If you like my videos, I would be happy about a like for the video. If you want to support me further and not miss any videos, just subscribe to my channel.